Hi everyone, Miss Janine here, your grade 7 science teacher. For our today's science tutorial, we will discuss light. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's start! Light is everywhere. Light enables us to see objects whether it's daytime or even in nighttime. Can you imagine the world without light? That would be so dark and scary. When we say light, it has a dual characteristics, that of a wave and a particle. There were lots of scientists who contributed to the study of light. The first scientist was Isaac Newton. He believed that light behaves like a particle. However, Christian Huygens disagreed with Newton because he believed that lights behave like a wave. Another scientist was Louis de Broglie, who claimed that light can be a particle and a wave. And last was James Clerk Maxwell, who was the proponent of electromagnetic theory of light. This theory states that light waves are the same character as the electromagnetic waves that are caused by a rapidly oscillating electric current. As a particle, light is a form of energy made of photons. These are the smallest unit of a visible light. As a wave, light is formed by the vibration of electric and magnetic fields. This is the reason why it is considered as an electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic waves are arranged in an increasing frequency which can be found in an electromagnetic spectrum. As you can see in this illustration, the electromagnetic waves with the lowest frequency are called the radio waves, while electromagnetic waves with the highest frequency are called the gamma rays. The only electromagnetic waves that is visible to our eyes is called the visible light spectrum, or can also be called as the white light. There are two sources of light. Sun is an example of a natural source of light because it is a luminous body, which means that it is capable of producing its own light. Artificial sources are the objects that emit light when heated to a high temperature. For example, the light from a bulb, a flashlight, and a candle. Let us now proceed with the measurement of light. Photometry is the science of measuring light. If you compare the light from bulb and light from a candle, you can say that the light from bulb is brighter. Brightness of a light depends on the luminous intensity. It is the amount of light radiated by a light source in a specific direction within a given angle. It is measured in candela. Luminous flux is the amount of light given off by the source in all directions. It is measured in lumen. Luminous flux is used to specify the total amount of light emitted by a light source. It does not specify the direction on which light is radiated. Illuminance is the amount of light that falls on a surface. For example, the light from the lamp radiates on books. Here is a visual representation of the measurement of light. Let's proceed with the colors of light. Once a white light passes through a prism, the white light will separate into spectral colors, or the colors of the rainbow. This process is called the dispersion. As said earlier, the visible light is the only electromagnetic waves that a person can see. The colors that we are able to see, which are the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, depends upon on the frequency and wavelength of the electromagnetic waves. In the visible light spectrum, the color red has the largest wavelength and lowest frequency, while color violet has the shortest wavelength and highest frequency. That's it! Let's have a quick recap. In this video, we discussed light. It has a dual characteristics, that of a wave and that of a particle. We discussed the scientists who contributed to the study of light, the sources of light which are the natural and artificial source, the measurement of light, and the colors of light. Now, let's try answering a 5-item quiz about light. You have a minute to answer. Good luck! Time's up! Let's check if your answers are correct. That's the end of our science tutorial. I hope that you've learned a lot and see you soon. Thank you for watching!